We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video, I'll show you how to unbox and set up your new HP LaserJet M234sdwe printer. Okay, so I got it out of the box. It was a little tricky. I'm going to go ahead and gently take off the styrofoam. Okay, once you get all the wrapping off, then just follow these steps and we'll show you how to set it up. Alright, so first to set up our printer, we will need to go ahead and plug it in, insert our tray, and remove the packaging. So first I have my cord. Plug it in back here at the very bottom with a little 3-prong that matches our cord. Okay, then we'll go ahead and plug it in. I got my tray. Alright. Okay, so then once you get your tray put on, go ahead and just start taking off all the orange tape. Alright, so we've got all the tape off. The tray's installed, we've got it plugged in. Now we are going to take a look at it and set it up. Alright, I got the printer turned on, but there's one last piece of tape that you need to get off. It's going to be on your toner. So just lift this up and then pull the lever on the toner. So what you're going to want to do, make sure not to touch this blue part. But there's a handle, just keep your hand on the handle and take off the tape. And stick the toner back in. Just follow the guides. Once you hear you clicking, you know it's in. Shut your front hatch. Your printer will then initialize. Alright guys, so here is your screen once you get it turned on. All of the tape off of the printer. So in order to finish completing your setup, you will need to take your smartphone and just put your camera on this QR code like that. You should get like a little yellow box. Click that. And it'll take you to an HP website. It'll let you install the app to finish completing your setup. Okay, so once you get the app downloaded, you have your account set up, your screen will then look like this. Go ahead and hit set up or add printer. And then you want to hit get started. It will search for your printer, so once it shows up, go ahead and click on that. And then it says prepare printer to connect to Wi-Fi. Go ahead and hit continue. Now it says it's connecting to Wi-Fi and then it's processing. Okay, so make sure that your smartphone is hooked up to your Wi-Fi because that's how your printer will hook up through it. So once you put in your password and get that set up, this is what your screen will look like. So it says press and release the flashing information button on your printer. After releasing, please wait. Okay, so then your screen's going to look like this. And you're just going to give it a second to kind of set everything up and get it connected. Perfect. So now it says, let's continue setting up your printer. So you hit continue, not processing. All right, perfect. So it says connected printing service. So it has a few things that you should read, and then if you accept everything, which you do have to in order to use this printer, then hit accept all. Okay, so it's just going to give you some information about HP Plus. Hit continue, read more information. It says by continuing you agree to the following requirements, so make sure you go ahead and read that. Alright, so now you need to log in. Alright, perfect. So once you sign in, get everything registered, it'll then go ahead and set you up for the Instant Ink. It says your new printer includes 6 months of toner and delivery. So go ahead and get all that set up. So you then need to enter your information and just go from there at that point. Okay, so it goes into saying let's load paper tray, which this is the tray. We already did that. Then it says slide the guidelines open to load letter or other size paper. So this is your guide. You'll just push it over, then slide over, and it says close the front edge of the cover, which would be this right here, after you load the paper. So take your paper and then just load it in there. Shut this, and there you go. And then what you're going to want to do is hit continue. Okay, so now it's saying to remove the toner sheet. Then just hit continue because we already did that in the beginning. Now it says setup complete, let's print. So you go ahead and print your page. And then once it prints, it'll say print from other devices. You can go ahead and send the link and go ahead and get your other devices set up. And then once your setup's complete and you have the green check mark, go ahead and hit all done. And your printer should be set up. Alright guys, you successfully set up your new HP M234sdwe printer. If you have any issues with it, give us a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.